Today I'm gonna explain the difference between the term yield and return. So imagine you wanna start a business, a t-shirt selling business. What you could do is to order 10,000 t-shirts, 1,000 from a design, another 1,000 from another design, and so on. But the problem here is that you may not have a customer at all, and you will be left with 10,000 t-shirts and no sales. Another approach is to wait for the customer to come, and then for every customer order a t-shirt and then send it to them. The first approach is the return approach. The second approach is the yield approach. Let me explain more. So in programming terms, you may have a loop going from 0 to 100 million. And for this to work, you need to create an array of 100 million items. And this array must be saved in memory. So you're saving a huge array that could be generated on demand, and this takes a lot of space in memory and makes your code inefficient. Instead, what you can do is to use a generator which generates items one after the other, and this is how yield is used. Imagine your business is a function. Instead of using return, which returns everything all at once, you could use yield and use the function inside a for loop to output the results one at a time.